Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about the kiosk, which is a trending thing that happening inside every shops nowadays. So the POS kiosk in Odoo 19 is basically a self-ordering solution that basically allows customers to browse product and place their own orders without the assistance of a cashier. So it's actually make your work very easy and it's give more exposure to your customer as well. So let's see how we can set up that inside Odoo. So here in Odoo, we have a module which is called point of sale, and it is basically provide the customization for the kiosk, setting up and everything. So let's start from the configuration itself. Moving on to the configuration, under the settings, there we have different kind of point of sale shops under that particular module. So if I'm just clicking on there, you can find there we have furniture shop, clothes shop, bakery, restaurant and everything. So one thing that you need to understand is this feature is actually ideal for the restaurant, cafe, food courts and quick service businesses that reduce waiting times and improve the overall customer experience very fastly. So here I'm using it as a bakery shop. So I'm going to create a kiosk for the bakery shop. Once I'm done with that, there you can find an option for the mobile self orders and kiosk. From there itself, you can configure them and you can set up. To set up them, what you need to do is you have a section which is called QR menu and kiosk activation. So let your customer order using their mobile or a kiosk. So there you need to set up it. So on the self-ordering part, you have four options. There is disable, QR menu plus ordering and kiosk as well. So what you need to do is simply click on the kiosk option. Once you guys are done with that, if you're just already set up, you can find the splash screens and you can see the background and everything. So once you just didn't even set up it, I'll show you what are the things that is defined here. First of all, you just provided the correct self-ordering process, which is kiosk, and there you can see if you want to preview the web interface, you can simply click on that option and you can find them. And these are the home buttons. It will be regulating all the home buttons, and there you can find the services at, which means there we have a lot of services, which means under the pickup zone and on the table as well. So the self services will be on the pickup zone, and there you can find pay after each order. Okay, so if anybody is ordering the kiosk, they should pay on that particular time. That's what it is called. And you can provide the payment method under your particular bakery shop if you're just providing them like a card, cash, or whatever we can say, the customer credit account, something like that. Okay, so you can provide any kind of payment method that's suitable for your business. And now you can see this is the language side, which means you can defaultly set up the language of the kiosk interface. So basically we are defaultly using that as in English, but if you guys are just living in Arab nations, or we can say in Korea, what you need to do is you can defaultly set up that particular language from there itself. Okay, so there you can find a default method which is in English, or you can leave this as empty because Odoo will give you it is in English way. Okay, and you can find the languages from here, and you if you want to add languages, you can simply click on this option and you can simply add them. So you must need to save this change because we enable this kiosk. So let me remove this one. You can add them from here itself. Okay, removing it. Okay, it is move back to the disabled version, no problem. Once you guys are done with that, you can provide this. Now this is an important plan, or this is an important part, which is splash screens. So you can personalize your splash screen by adding one or multiple images to create a slideshow, which means if you're just opening your interface, what you need to see is like with different kind of images and everything. So you can simply customize them by using this option. Simply click on add images. You will moving on to the recent and downloads things. You can download anything and you can add that particular JPG from here itself. Okay, so let me cancel because I have already three, and you can do them. And you can also personalize your kiosk background by simply clicking on set background images and everything. You can download and you can use them as a background here. Let me remove this. So once you guys are just customize everything, what you need to do is simply click on save option. By clicking on the save option, now you're ready to go with your kiosk. So I'll show you how it will be actually working. Moving back to the dashboard itself. Now you can see for my bakery shop, I can simply start a kiosk because we enable that. Simply start that kiosk. You will get an interface like this. Click on the smart button which is called order now. There you can find the breads. There you can find the pastries, food, drink, soft drinks and everything. So if I want the pastries, like if the customer comes there and they will get a kiosk interface like this and they are going to order anything from your bakery, what will be happening, like you can simply click on this option. One click, it will be moving on to your cart. And if a customer needs cinnamon roll, it will be moving on to your cart once they are clicked. And if I'm moving on to the food session, if we need the bacon burger, what will be happening for the bacon burger? You have the slides, like they we have different variants, so they can simply choose any kind of variants. And sorry, yeah, the what they need to add up, this is a compo, so they need to add up anything. So if they need a potato with thyme, they need to do, simply click on that option and they can add them into the cart, so it will be moving on to your cart. And if they need this word, let it be the club sandwich, they can simply add them. And once they need any kind of drinks, that will be moving onto the drink session they've added, and they can check out them and cancel it them as well. So this is the order line which they ordered: the apple pie, cinnamon roll, bacon burger, club sandwich and Coca-Cola. And simply click on the order side. That particular order is now moving onto your kitchen. We are preparing for your orders. This will be showing by the kiosk, and the customer should pay this amount, which is 40.08 cents. And there you can see your order number is this particular thing. Once you guys are done with that, they can simply close this, and again they can order, or another customer can simply order using this interface. Okay, so this is the slides that we have provided on the splash screen time. So this will be moving regularly. Okay. So that's all about this video. So that's how simply within a few click you can configure your kiosks for your shop, which is if you're running a restaurant, bakery, anything. So one more thing that I want to add is actually we Cybrosys introduced Mobile, which is the mobile suite of Odoo. So if you just didn't even carry your laptop or your anything that inside your company or the shop, or if you're a manager or if you're a person business owner and you just move from your, or you're just out from your shop, what you need to do is, don't worry if you don't have this system. You can move with your mobile phone. There you can find all the details about this kiosk, configuration of the POS and everything. You can move there and you can customize same as we done inside the system. Okay, so if you're interested to download this app, you can move on to the Play Store, App Store, and you can download them, and please feel free to use. Okay, and once you guys are just used, please comment down below, is it helpful to you or not? So that's all about this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another videos inside the POS module and interesting topic. Till next video, bye bye.